for lunch. Chang. Changs used to come here very often. So we are coming here after more than a year. Actually, Mohini, the AC is better downstairs. So the weather has become a little hot now क्योंकि थोड़े से बादल दिख रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा तो गर्म हो ही रहा है. चलो नीचे जाएंगे, यहाँ पे AC चालू नहीं. Manchow soup. It's like I took a sip of boiling water. It's nice. So my wife and I were talking about upgrading our equipment because I think the quality of the videos is good. It's more engaging. So we were just discussing about some of the cameras that we can consider. I already have a DSLR, but for her I was suggesting the Canon G7X Mark III. I think it's a beautiful camera. It's a point and shoot camera, so it's very easy to use.
Happy that I've got a husband who does good research in everything that he wants to do. So that helps me also.
Can you say that
directly
again?
or indirectly.
You want anything else?
भैया एक और सब get the tripod for sure. Next time I'll get my tripod for sure.
Phoenix Mall.
Yeah, we'll go to Phoenix after this. Yeah.
Phoenix.
Yeah. We need a mic if you have to speak so softly. Right.
चलो डन विद द awesome lunch. अभी जाएंगे Phoenix Mall. There's interesting fish here. Really nice fish. लेकिन थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता है यार. उनको इतनी सी जगह है स्विमिंग करने के लिए. They should be out in open water. Lots of space. But ठीक है, what to do? So I personally don't like to cage animals. I think they deserve to be free. Now we are going to Phoenix Mall. So I'm looking for a jacket. This jacket has become quite old. So I'm looking for something which is similar. Let's see, we've come to this shop called Roadster. I think it's got this whole theme of bikes and biking going on. So देखेंगे अभी कुछ पसंद आता है तो ले लेंगे. This seems like an interesting shop. I think this is for those people who like to do everything on their own. They like to fix things, utility stuff basically. That's nice. So this section is full of tools and equipment. Screwdrivers, spanners, hammers. Really nice shop. Photo frames. But I'm guessing most of it is made in China. Trust the Chinese to make all this. Yep, made in China. I'm waiting for my wife right now. She's in that shop and she was taking a lot of time. She likes to take her time. I think all girls do. So I thought I'll just go for a stroll in the mall. Such a nice place. So many shops. This is Phoenix Mall. It's at Viman Nagar in Pune. It's I think the biggest mall in the city. Yeah, I'm waiting for my wife to come and then after that we'll do some more shopping or window shopping and then we'll go have some coffee. Yeah, but I'm definitely looking out for a jacket. So if I like a jacket, then I'll pick it up. I'm looking for a jacket which I can wear all year round, you know, when I'm on the bike. So I don't want it to be too thick. It's something which is made up of fabric or thin jacket. Yes, it's my holiday today, so I'm feeling very relaxed. So far, I'm just chilling. Yeah, and I think she's calling me now. So finally, after walking through the entire mall almost, we've come to McDonald's. Ordered for some coffee. So it's coming now, it's on the way. This is the cappuccino, and this is the cappuccino with chocolate drizzle on top. I think there's chocolate inside also. Yeah, cappuccino plus smoke. Enjoy. Coffee is really strong. I like it. I think they've added a double shot. Double shot, just how I like it. It's nice. But one thing that they added which I don't particularly enjoy is the coffee powder. I mean the chocolate powder. Chocolate powder doesn't taste that good. I like my coffee to be strong, bitter and not at all sweet. So, ठीक है, चलता है. My wife right now goofing around with the Instagram filters. Tuesday is going on with a very chilled vibe to it. Today I didn't get the Duke out. We came on our Access because parking a Duke is always a problem. People end up sitting on it and touching it and fiddling with it. So yeah, today we are on the Access. And plus Access I think has a lot of storage space. So you know, we had come here with the intention of shopping. कुछ लिया तो नहीं लेकिन इंटेंशन तो था.
बस बैग्स रहते हैं, उसका बैग रहता है, मेरा बैग रहता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड स्पेस फॉर दैट, राइट? एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर कमिंग फॉर शॉपिंग, अगर कुछ खरीदा है तो फिर उसके लिए भी जगह लगेगा. तो
The biggest reason is still the parking for the Duke. Touring on the Duke, I'm going to be taking the bike cover, and I'm going to be covering the whole bike before I check into a hotel or a hostel. It's almost 7 o'clock now. We're still at McDonald's क्योंकि कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करने का नहीं. तो बस बैठे कॉफ़ी धीरे धीरे खत्म कर रहे हैं. This coffee has been on for almost 1.5 hours now. Can you believe that? चलो, so finally we are out of McDonald's. Finally, उठने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा. We have no agenda. We don't know what to do next. So we were just killing time there. It's past 7 o'clock and I'm sure it must be dark outside now. And we are quite far away from home. I just checked, we are about 20 kilometers away from where we stay. So let's just start heading back and decide a place where we can have our dinner.
we'll go and have our pizza.
Finally, we are out of McDonald's. We spent more than 2 hours there. It's almost 7 p.m. now. It's past 7 p.m. Let's see. Now we'll decide a place to eat. Right? What do you want to eat, Moini?
Pizza sounds good, so we can have pizza.
One second.
Pizza sounds good. We can go to Urban Foundry and have the pizza there.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, great. Yeah, so we're quite far away from home. So almost 20 kilometers. So by the time we reach there, I think it will be past 8 o'clock. Yeah? You remember we had come to this place? Shizusa? We had come here just before the corona pandemic and the lockdown had happened. But the collection in the mall this time is not so great. Maybe in the winter season some new collection might come. So, but today we didn't particularly like anything. She just ended up buying a mask and I ended up buying a coffee. So we finally made it to the wedding. No, I'm just kidding. We are still inside the mall. So, it's not too cold, but I think because there are clouds, it has become more warm again. It feels like a winter evening all the same. अच्छा लग रहा है. Right now we are at Viman Nagar. There are lots of nice hotels. We're close to the airport. That's why Viman Nagar. Oh, did you miss me? Time to take out the Duke. We're going for a quick dinner somewhere nearby only, but because you know it's been over 7 days since I took the Duke out, I think it's best to start the engine once, so it's good for the battery and also the engine. So yeah, Duke it is. So today we are in the mood to have some pizza. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening and the weather is good, pleasant, but it's not that cold that we need a jacket. So we are all dressed up, looking good, looking beautiful as usual. And yeah, so let's go have a pizza now, shall we? Alright. My Duke is safely parked here. And I always put this lock. Time it detects a movement, it starts to beep. At this nice savvy place, it's called this. And yeah, we'll have our dinner now. I'll show you what we are eating.